Welcome to Quantum Generation. Today we're diving into the future of global connectivity with our cutting-edge quantum internet. As you know, today's internet connects computers across the globe, distributing information in bits, zeros, and ones. But quantum generation is pushing the boundaries by enhancing our global network with a quantum internet capable of connecting quantum devices, such as quantum computers, over vast distances. Unlike classical bits, qubits can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously, a property that promises revolutionary advancements in privacy, security, and computational power. The journey towards a quantum internet began in the past decade with the first connection of two quantum devices via quantum entanglement. At Quantum Generation, we've taken the next significant leap, linking multiple nodes that can store and process qubits. Meet Alice, Bob, and Charlie, the world's first rudimentary quantum network. Here's how our multi-mode quantum network works. First, we establish entanglement between Alice and Bob. Bob plays a crucial role here with his two qubits, one for communication and one as a memory qubit to store the entanglement. Next, Bob's communication qubit entangles Charlie. Finally, Bob entangles his two qubits locally. And just like that, we have a fully connected network. Let's look at two quantum network protocols we employ. First, we create an entangled state across the three nodes, which is vital for multi-party applications. Second, we teleport entanglement to the outer nodes, proving that even nodes without a direct physical link can be entangled. Our network's modular design signals when entanglement is established in real time, a feature crucial for future applications. Quantum generation lays the foundation for large-scale quantum networks, setting the stage for a global quantum internet and quantum connect. We're creating the blueprint for the space-based quantum age. Be part of the quantum revolution. Join the QG369 community and lock in your QPhone and quantum internet pre-order. With QG Wave, we are set to replace 5G and 6G, bringing faster, more secure connectivity. Join us in pioneering the future of connectivity. Join our membership community and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the quantum revolution and secure your place in the quantum future today.